Welcome again to my new short video. I'm gonna walk with you and show you how to install Telnet and your Windows 10 operating system. We can use two methods, through the control panel and through the PowerShell. First thing, we need to check if we have Telnet installed in our operating system. So I'm gonna go and search for my CMD, my command prompt, okay, and I type Telnet. Press enter. Okay, as you can see it here, I don't have Telnet installed. I can check it on my PowerShell as well. Okay, just type Telnet. Simple and easy. Okay, so I don't have it on my operating system. Okay, the first method, through the control panel. Go here and I type either way. I can go and click on programs, or I can come here and I type turn Windows. Here ready. You can see it, turn Windows feature on or off. Or you can click in programs and you come here and you click on it. You scroll all the way down, right here, TelnetClient. Make sure to check the box and click OK. Saving change, closed. Or I can do it through PowerShell, which is very easy too. From here to my PowerShell, and I'm gonna type very easy short command, which is this one here. Okay, make sure to type it correct. Slash. Okay. Doing it slowly. Make sure the uppercase, because it's case sensitive. PowerShell client, and okay, now I'm gonna check. I just need to type Telnet, press enter. You see it this way. Welcome to Microsoft Telnet Client, which is I have it installed successfully on my PowerShell. Let me go and check on my command prompt. Okay, and I type Telnet and I press enter. Welcome to Microsoft Telnet Client, which is I have it installed successfully. Well, thank you for watching and see you on next video, I guess.